YouTube, this is Ganna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are riding towards Mysore from Mangalore. The time is 8 AM right now and we just reached Nanto Circle and we are going towards Mysore via Madikeri route. So let's see how this ride goes. Hey guys, so now I have crossed Sulya. Time is 9:40 and we are headed towards Madikeri. So we are climbing the Madikeri Ghat from Sampaje. Look at the view, guys. This is the rubber plantation on the right. Awesome, guys. Goods crossing the road. So we have crossed Madikeri now and we are on the road to Mysore via Kushalnagar. The weather is cool here even though the sun is out. I'll continue in some time. So we finished our breakfast. The time was 12. There was nothing much to eat, only bisi bele baat. We crossed Kushalnagar and Bailakappa and now we are headed towards Mysore. So we have still 5 hours of journey left. So let's continue. Hey guys, so right now we reached Mysore and the time is 1:30. So we are heading towards now Mahadeshwara Betta so that it will be easier for us tomorrow to reach our tomorrow's destination. I don't wanna bore you with these boring roads. So if anything is interesting, I'll show you on the video. Ciao.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hey guys, this is day 2 and we left from Mahadeshwara Betta. We didn't find room anyway, so we have to adjust with a homestay nearby. The time is 10 a.m. and now we are headed towards Mettur, and from there we will be going towards Salem. That's the Mahadeshwara temple in front of me. It is extremely crowded. Today is Sunday, maybe that's why it's crowded too much. So we have crossed Tamil Nadu border now. See the beautiful lake over here. Now we are on the way to Mettur, which is around 30 kilometers. After that we'll be heading towards Salem. From here to Salem is around 83 kilometers, I guess. Salem. Hope the roads are good so that our journey will be comfortable. So guys, time is 11 a.m. and we are nearing Mettur. This is the river which is held in Mettur Dam, I guess. Check this out guys, Mettur Dam. What was that? So that is Mettur Dam. Mysore dam, and now we are headed towards Salem. So guys, time is 12:30 and we are in Salem, and we turn towards Yercaud road. And we have around 25 kilometers left to reach our destination in Yercaud. So I don't want to bore you with this traffic. I'll catch up to you guys soon. Ciao. So we crossed the Yercaud toll gate and paid around 15 rupees for two-wheeler. Kilometers to go to the peak of this mountain. Let's go. So guys, we have reached Yercaud. Just now finished lunch in this waterfront restaurant, and now we are headed towards our room. See this beautiful emerald lake in Yercaud. So this is our room in Club Mahindra. Amazing, isn't it?